Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products with a deep dive into science, formulation, and real-world usability. Today, we're looking at the Jane Iredale PureBrow Brow Powder in Ash Blonde. This is a vegan, cruelty-free powder designed to fill in sparse eyebrows with a natural, silky-soft finish. Right out of the box, the packaging feels sleek and compact, perfect for slipping into your makeup bag or taking on the go. The PureBrow Brow Powder is presented in a small, sturdy compact, which houses a finely milled powder that promises easy blending and a buildable look. The formula is specifically crafted to feel soft, smooth, and natural on the brows without being chalky or harsh. I tried incorporating this into my daily routine, applying it with a small angled brush. The texture glides on effortlessly, allowing you to create soft, feathery strokes or slightly more defined shapes depending on your preference. For me, it worked beautifully to fill in sparse areas without looking overdone. It layered well, so I could start light in the mornings and build up for a more defined look in the evenings. One thing I noticed is that it holds up well throughout the day without fading, smudging, or settling into fine lines, which is always a win. On the pro side, the formula is silky, blendable, and very natural looking. The compact size is travel-friendly, and the vegan, cruelty-free credentials are a definite plus for conscious consumers. On the flip side, for those with very dark or very light brows, the color range might feel limited. Also, since it's a powder, it doesn't have the same staying power as a pomade if you're looking for a more intense, long-wear effect. Considering value for money, Jane Iredale products are positioned in the premium range, and this brow powder does deliver on quality, formulation, and usability. If you value a natural, polished brow look with easy application, the price is justified. In comparison to other brow powders, it's competitive, particularly with its vegan and cruelty-free positioning and the soft, blendable texture that stands out against more chalky alternatives. The compact itself is durable, and the powder feels long-lasting both in terms of wear and shelf life. While I haven't interacted directly with customer support for this product, Jane Iredale is known for a solid reputation in handling inquiries and product satisfaction. If you're considering a more budget-friendly alternative, there are other powder-based brow products available that perform well, but they might not match the same silkiness or vegan formulation. For those prioritizing ethical beauty and a natural finish, this is where PureBrow really shines. So overall, the Jane Iredale PureBrow Brow Powder in Ash Blonde is a well-balanced product that fills in sparse brows naturally, blends effortlessly, and suits those seeking an ethical, easy-to-use option. If you're aiming for a soft, everyday look that enhances your brows without looking heavy, this is definitely worth exploring. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase this brow powder in the comments or description box below. And if you've already tried it, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment and let me know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.